Hello friends, I'm Sharath and I'm representing Mana TV and TV5 USA and TV5 India, and today we are celebrating amazing Independence Day, 74th Independence Day celebration at Indian Business Association, and we have amazing floats and wonderful people around, and we have air of patriotism and independence today. A lot of people are here to enjoy the air of independence, the Grand Marshal's speech, a lot of dignitaries who have come to grace this occasion, and there will be parade, there will be dances, there will be entertainment, there will be a lot of fun activities also at the same time. This is an event after the pandemic. There's such a grand scale, grand magnitude event going on, and really happy to be at Indian Business Association's Independence Day celebration 2021. I'm really privileged and happy, and so many people are actually going to grace. The whole Oak Tree Road is going to be enlivened, jubilant and patriotic.
Can you come to the mic, Dinkar bhai? Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! Bharat Mata ki! My well-known entrepreneur and kid Vedavara as a grand sponsor of 2021 India Day Parade. Thank you so much. We are going to serve the entire state of New Jersey. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, Bharat Mata ki Jai. For walking, marching band.
बहुत ही बढ़िया माहौल हो रहा है यहाँ पर, और एक देख के देशभक्ति की भावना देख के सबको अच्छा लग रहा है, और हम लोग बहुत ही इंजॉय कर रहे हैं. एवरीवन इज़ इंजॉयिंग हियर एंड वी आर ट्राइंग टू मीट डिफरेंट पीपल हियर. हरे रामा हरे कृष्णा की झांकी निकल रही है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत झांकी देश की स्वतंत्रता को दिखाते हुए.
Hi, my name is Simran and I'm living New Jersey, and I'm India Mrs. New Jersey, and Bharat Mata ki jai. सबको Independence Day की बहुत मुबारक. Thank you.
Namaste everyone, I am Miss India Teen New Jersey, and I'm so proud to be here to celebrate the 75th India Independence Day, and this is a day of celebration, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity and for everyone on the team who's helped me get here. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Miss India New York, and I'm here to show my pride for my culture, my heritage, and unite unite with my Indian brothers and sisters. I'm so happy that everyone's here today, and I can't wait to celebrate my culture and my independence as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Roma. I'm your Miss India Pennsylvania 2021. I'm so excited to be here. Jai Hind and Happy Independence Day.
Hi everyone, this is Anu Sharma and I'm your Mrs. India Pennsylvania, and tonight I'm here so very much and honored and humbled to take part in this Independence Day celebration. And you know what, it's actually a double celebration because now India has also gotten a gold in our Olympics, and this is such a nice amalgamation of Indian American culture here. It really doesn't feel like that we are away from home, but it is really home here. Thank you.
I would love to congratulate the IBA for doing this for 30 years and doing such a brilliant job. And to all of you for being here. That's why we're here. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Enjoy it and thank you for being here. Jai Hind.
You know, I didn't know what to expect because I have heard so much about the parade, the India Day parade in New Jersey. And over the years, I've heard so much about it. But then we had the pandemic, and last year there wasn't a parade. So I was excited to be part of it this year, especially with everything being so restricted up until now. But I was amazed because so many people turned up, and people are careful. They're wearing masks. They are keeping a distance. People are not coming too close all the time. So it was organized really, really well, and it's amazing to see so many people out there supporting and, you know, celebrating India's independence. And this is my first independence that I am not in India, or, you know, I mean, I'm usually celebrating it at an embassy or something, and this feels like I'm just back in India because there were thousands of people lining the street and waving flags, so it's fantastic, and it's really a privilege to be a part of it this year. Oh, congratulations is my word to the IBA team. They did such a magnificent job. They've been doing it for 30 years now, and I think they've got it down pretty well pat. Very, very well organized. There were floats out there, there were performances out there, and they really have it down tight. Oh, it's you know, surprisingly, I would say over here, it's much more loud a celebration and excited a celebration because it's the Indians celebrating being away from India, you know, and they're celebrating our Independence Day. Whereas in India, it's our Independence Day. We're there and it's a party, but not like how passionate it is over here, I think, of what I've seen, because they're celebrating something that's, you know, our culture, our independence, our roots, and our freedom is what we're celebrating. So it's India in America. Hi, Mana TV international viewers. I'm Diana Hayden. I wish you a very, very happy Independence Day. Wherever you are, please celebrate. Jai Ho.
मैं ऐसे शॉपिंग के लिए आया था, मुझे नहीं मालूम था कि आज इंडिया डे है यहाँ पर। बहुत खुशी हुई इतने सारे लोगों को देखकर। ऐसा लग रहा है कि हिंदुस्तान ओखरी में आके बस गया हो। ऑल आई कैन से हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। सभी एक बार जय हिंद बोलिए। जय भारत माता की जय। विजय विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा। बहुत साल के बाद, एक साल के बाद सभी को यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं। थोड़ा डर भी है, लेकिन हम वैक्सीन करा लिए तो ठीक है। सो वी आर गुड।
नमस्कार, आज हमारे साथ है माननीय मेहमान इंडियन बिजनेस एसोसिएशन के लिए आए हैं दिनकर मेहता जी, किंग ऑफ कॉमेडी, एंड मुकुंद ठाकर जी हैं, डॉक्टर मुकुंद ठाकर जी हैं, ही इज़ द ओनर ऑफ अरिस्टा केयर। और पहले मैं मुकुंद जी से बात करना चाहूँगा कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है, यहाँ पर इतना फ्लोट्स हैं, मतलब ये पूरा स्वतंत्रता का पल्स चल रहा है।
बहुत बहुत अच्छा माहौल है और वेदर ने भी साथ दिया है, देखो कैसा अच्छा वेदर है। और बहुत बड़ी बात तो हमारे वहाँ किंग ऑफ कैनेडिया है।
Hi everyone, we're here in Edison at the Indian Day Parade. We're going to walk the streets through Edison into Woodbridge. Everybody's gathering. It's going to be a great crowd as always. A lot of passion, a lot of fun, a lot of excitement. And this year the weather is great. Usually it's like 110 degrees, but this year it's nice, beautiful. So there's no reason for everybody not to walk the entire parade. So it's great to be here. Happy Independence Day, everybody.
This is Congressman Frank Pallone. I'm really happy to be here today for the annual Indian Independence Day Parade in Edison and Woodbridge. We were afraid it was going to rain, but the rain never deters us, and now the sun is coming out as the parade begins, and I wish all our Indian Americans to have a great day, celebrate your independence and the proud relationship between the United States and India.
We have a freeholder and Deputy Commissioner Shanti Narra with us, who is the guest of honor for Indian Business Association today, and you really, just wanted to find her pulse about the 74th, 75th Independence, and is your heart beating?
Of course it is. I was actually born in India. I was born in Hyderabad, but my entire family is from Krishna district outside of Vijayawada. So the fact is, we came here when I was a child, and I am 100% American, but with my Indian roots. So having the chance to celebrate here in my home county where I grew up is amazing. And this parade is a spectacular celebration of our culture, our religions, our languages, everything about the beautiful, beautiful motherland of India. So this is a thrilling day, and the 75th anniversary of this parade is a testament to everyone who came here before us and created this vibrant, vibrant community.
Hello, this is Shaktivan Sinha, Deputy Consul of India in New York, and we are here in Edison celebrating the 75th year of India's independence. And Indian Business Association has organized a parade to celebrate the 75th year of India's independence. It is an honor to be among a large number of Indian American community members, as well as a large number of political representatives, friends of India. This year is really special because we are celebrating the 75th year of India's independence. This is an occasion to recommit ourselves to development and progress of India. I'm sure the community here in the United States is really committed to the motherland, and their effort and assistance in aiding and helping India's development is much appreciated. We are all grateful for that. I again take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy 75th year of India's independence.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's a pleasure and honor to be here at Independence Day in Edison. I'm a former retired sheriff's officer. I ran for sheriff in 2016. I have a good reputation. I work for a famous security company now. My law enforcement is narcotics. People don't know about narcotics, big danger on the street. As of 2019, we have 72,000 people died OD on fentanyl. 2020, 79,000 people died on fentanyl. We have to have law enforcement on the street. I am a Vietnam-era veteran of the United States Army. It's an honor to serve for this country. I continue to fight for all religious people. I believe officers should not be refunded on the street. They have to be on the street. We cannot live without law enforcement. I, as a candidate for the State Assembly, 19th District, I promise you, you will not be sitting in that office. I'm a street person. I work with the community. I cannot accomplish what I want to accomplish unless the community works with me. I work with people. Anybody needs me once I'm elected, my office will be open 24/7. Anyone has problems with addiction, call me. I'll be more than happy to help everyone out. Thank you very much.
Mana TV International, thank you very much for being here covering IBA's India Day Parade, 75th Parade, 38 years of completion of IBA. Great weather, let's enjoy, let's look forward to all people marching. It will be 50,000 people walking around.
मुझे इसको देखने का मौका मिला और खासकर अमेरिकन बॉर्न इंडियंस, आप लोग के लिए ये देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमारा कल्चर और हम कैसे आगे ले जाते हैं. सो जय हिंद, भारत माता की जय.
Namaste everybody, good afternoon. It's so wonderful, especially after last year with everything being closed, to see so many people out here today. Everyone celebrating our Independence Day. IBA, thank you so much for organizing this. Thank you all of you for coming out here and celebrating with us. Let's make this Independence Day celebration a huge success.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday marked another outstanding and successful parade. Every year, we attribute our success to tireless effort of our committee persons, volunteers, supporters, and donors, without whom we would not be able to plan successful and smooth event after year. This year is extra special since we want to thank each and every front-line worker who braved unimaginable emergency we have last year. This selfless and tireless effort should be saluted and commended. They are worked tirelessly so that we may save and protected us from every possible fatality. Word cannot be sufficient to describe our heartful gratitude towards each and every one of them. The president of this association, Kiran Amin, needs special salute, being instrumental in providing help to the frontline workers and their time of need by providing safe equipment, care need, and also organize camp for vaccine. Organizing this year parade was tough task taking into consideration the various restriction guidelines of the state. But we are pleased to announce that with the cooperation of all regulatory bodies, the counting, police, fire, officially, etc. was great success, as they say, no matter what, the show must go on. And IBA is proud that show did go on. Heartfully greetings on the occasion of India Day Parade. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Jai Hind. God bless America. Thank you.
Mr. Albert Jasani, would you like to share? Nishka Amen, and Arav Patel. A big round of